Hello, I'm Amanda Leali-Sayre with RealEstateSINY.com, bringing you this week's Mortgage and Economics Report. With hopeful news of a plateau in the economy, mortgage rates fall while confidence has seemingly leveled out. Additionally, the March existing home sales report and the new residential sales report for the month of March were released this week as well. Mortgage rates are declining steadily, with the 30-year fixed rate dropping to 4.28%, the 15-year fixed rate falling to 3.30%, and the 5-year ARM traveling to 3.30%. Stock markets continue to fluctuate this week, with the Dow Jones opening at 16,226 on April 16th, jumping to 16,409 on the 21st, and climbing to 16,514 on the 23rd that same week. The S&P 500 climbed as well, opening on the 16th at 1,846, climbing to 1,880 midweek, and finally leveling out at 1,875 on the 23rd. According to the Economic Confidence Survey released by Gallup.com for the week ending April 20th, confidence has seemingly leveled out, resting at -15 for this past week. No big change from the past 3 weeks' fluctuation between -15 and -16. Could we have finally hit a plateau? According to past reports, we are only 1 point off from confidence index level from this time last year. That being said, it has finally leveled out since the government shutdown last year. The Mortgage Bankers Association released their weekly mortgage application survey, revealing a decrease of mortgage applications by 3.3% on a seasonally adjusted basis. The refinance index has decreased 4%, while the seasonally adjusted purchase index decreased 2%. This report also reveals that the refinance share of mortgage activity has decreased to 51% this past week. Realtor.com released their existing home sales report for the month of March. The report goes into detail, stating that the sales in March were pretty much flat. Sales in the Northeast and Midwest are offset by declines in the West and South of the country. The total number of existing home sales for the single-family homes, townhomes, condominiums, and co-ops dropped 0.2% for the month of March, resting at a seasonally adjusted annual rate of 4.59 million homes in March. The United States Census Bureau released their new residential sales report for the month of March 2014. Sales of new single-family homes have decreased 14.5% to 384,000 homes in March, 13.3% lower than this month last year. The median sales price of homes this month is $290,000, while the average sales price rested at $290,000, meaning a supply of 6 months. Overall, this plateau may not be entirely bad for our economic status should it stay this way. There is a general uptick that has occurred over the years during the spring months, so should we repeat history, then we have some potentially prosperous times ahead. Should these numbers coincide with declining unemployment rates, we could open the door to a possible high in economic confidence in the country. That's it for this week. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to follow us on our various social media platforms with links below in the description. Also, don't forget you can read the full Mortgage and Economic Report, along with our weekly top 10s, do's and don'ts, and Tech Corner on TrendingSINY.com, which is a division of RealEstateSINY.com.